Hey everyone! Internet Download Manager, or IDM, is a popular download management tool that helps us increase download speeds, organize files, and pause or resume downloads easily. Many of us like to integrate IDM with our web browser so it can automatically capture downloadable files while we browse. If we use the Opera browser, we may wonder how to enable IDM integration so it works smoothly with our downloads. Proper activation lets IDM detect downloadable content and work correctly without problems. This guide explains how we can properly activate IDM in the Opera browser using official, legitimate methods. We will not use unauthorized activation. Instead, we focus on installing IDM the right way, enabling its browser integration module, and making sure the correct extension is added to Opera. By following these steps, we avoid compatibility issues, prevent security risks, and make sure IDM works as it should. This means checking IDM integration settings, turning on advanced browser integration, and installing the IDM extension from a trusted source. Doing this gives us stable performance and a smoother downloading experience. Now let's see how to add IDM to the Opera browser. First, open your Opera browser. We go to the Chrome Web Store. Once this loads, we will see the Chrome Web Store. We click this. Now, we just need to click Extensions on the upper left part. Here under Extensions, we can search for Internet Download Manager or IDM. Just wait for this to load. We are using the 4.2-star free download manager because it is a more accurate and powerful extension. We need to click this Chrome. When it is done, you will see Add to Opera. To add this to our extensions in Opera, just click this too. Wait for it to load. Some confirmation will appear that we need to add. Then click Add to continue. Now it's been successfully installed. When IDM is activated and integrated with Opera, our downloads will automatically be managed by IDM, giving us faster speeds and better file management. Remember to keep both Opera and IDM updated for best compatibility and performance. Using official software and the right activation methods keeps everything reliable and protects our system from risks. With everything set up, we can enjoy a more efficient and organized download experience in Opera.